So hello friends, myself Syed Ghulam Hussaini. So let us begin our today's session. So in the yesterday class we learned about the class Cyclostomata of this subphylum Vertebrata. So now we will study the second class, which is the first class of Gnathostomata, that is Pisces. Okay, we will study today superclass Pisces. In this superclass Pisces, we will first Pisces nothing but they are fishes. Okay, in this superclass, the first class is your class Chondrichthyes. Okay, class Chondrichthyes. So Chondrichthyes, they are the fishes. Okay, they are the fishes having cartilaginous endoskeleton. Means endoskeleton is made up of cartilaginous endoskeleton. These chondrichthyes have, and for floating in water or for living in water, they need to have streamlined body shape. Okay, then their body has gill slits for respiration. Gill slits which are not fused, they are separate gill slits without gill cover, which is called as operculum. इनके पास operculum नहीं होता है. operculum को हम लोग gill cover कहते हैं. ठीक है, operculum नहीं रहता. उसके बाद in case of class Chondrichthyes, the fish's mouth will be ventrally, means on lower side. Okay, mouth will be ventral. Okay, notochord should be present, which is here persistent throughout their life. It is not replaced, it is persistent throughout their life. Very important point. Notochord will be persistent. Then what all are the characteristics? Skin will be hard or tough or rough. Okay, rough, tough. And it has which scales, beta? It has placoid or ctenoid or cycloid. It has placoid scales. These placoid scales are nothing but modified teeth. Okay, modified teeth. Okay, means teeth are the modified placoid scales. If you need to write, means teeth are the modified placoid scales. These placoid scales are modified into teeth. Teeth are the modified placoid scales. Then jaws of these animals are powerful, very powerful. Jaws are very much powerful and they are predaceous animals. Okay, they predate on the others. Predaceous organisms, we can say. They are predaceous, they attack. Then we can say that usually fishes have air bladder. What is the function of air bladder? Air bladder regulates buoyancy. What is buoyancy? Buoyancy means the property to float on the water. So this property is controlled by the air bladder. But what happens in case of chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes? What happens means this air bladder is absent in cartilaginous fishes. Due to the reason that the air bladder is absent, they have to swim constantly without any breaking. They have to swim constantly. उनको कॉन्स्टेंटली तैरना पड़ता. Why? To avoid सिंकिंग, डूबने से बचने के लिए उन्हें तैरना ही पड़ेगा. रीज़न टू अवॉइड सिंकिंग, एयर ब्लैडर फंक्शन. देन दे हैव हार्ट. ओके, हार्ट होता है which is again dorsal only or ventral. It is ventral heart. It is two-chambered heart. Two-chambered heart. One atria or auricle. Okay, one atria or auricle and one ventricle. This phenomena of circulation of blood is called as what, beta? Single circulation is present. This we will study in detail in the chapter body fluids and circulation of first year. Okay, then after heart, some of the cartilaginous fishes have electric organs. Okay, electric organs such as, that is, electric eel, or it is called as torpedo, which is the scientific name is torpedo. And some of them have a poison sting. Okay, poison sting, in which you can see, such as trigon has poison sting, so it is called as stingray. Electric eel is common name is electric eel. Torpedo is scientific name, friends. Keep in mind which has electric organs and which has poison sting. These are very important points. When it comes, they are poikilotherms. What is poikilothermic animals? They are poikilotherms, means they are cold-blooded animals. What is meaning of cold-blooded? That is, they lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Means, if winter season comes, their body becomes cold. If summer season comes, their body becomes hot. Okay, what is the reason? Because their body temperature changes. According to the environment. Okay, according to the environmental changes. So what all changes happen in the environment will be reflected on their body also. So they are called as poikilotherms. Then here they are dioecious. What is the meaning of dioecious? I have explained earlier. Okay, dioecious means males and females are separate. Okay, it is called as dioecious condition, or bisexual or unisexual. Dioecious means unisexual, males and females separate. Okay, males and females are separate. This is the important point, keep in mind. Then we will see that here fertilization. The fertilization, that is fusion of male and female gametes, will be internal type. Internal, that is inside the body of the female. Inside the female body. And they are mostly, this word is important, means some are exceptions are also there, but they are mostly viviparous. Viviparous means giving birth to young ones. Okay, they are called as viviparous. Viviparous means giving birth to young ones. If you need some, now the time has come to learn the Examples of the class chondrichthyes. So the trick to remember is, you might have heard the ice cream flavors such as butterscotch and all. So here I have made a trick, that is Capscot. Okay, the Capscot is the trick. Okay, so here CA stands for Carcharodon. Okay, CA stands for Carcharodon. Carcharodon. This is GWS, which is Great White Shark. Carcharodon, Great White Shark. This P stands for Pristis. Okay, scientific name Pristis, which is your sawfish. You can refer to the diagrams in NCERT. SCO stands for Scoliodon. Scoliodon, which is your don means dog, it is dogfish. And one T stands for Trigon. Another T stands for torpedo. Okay, friends, please remember the examples. Very important. Trigon, torpedo, both the examples are important. Just see: Scoliodon dogfish, Trigon torpedo, Pristis sawfish, Carcharodon great white shark. So these are some of the examples of the class chondrichthyes. So these all we have learned about the class chondrichthyes. If anyone wants a screenshot, so you can take a screenshot of it. Very useful. In understandable language it is written. So skin has tough skin and it is made up of placoid scales. Teeth are modified placoid scales. They are directed backwardly directed. Okay, friends. So in the next video we will be learning about the class Osteichthyes. So please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get further future updates. And also I will be doing botany and zoology chapters in the further sections. So thank you for watching, friends. Have a nice day. Bye, friends. Bye.